Hello everyone, welcome to Testing Globe. In this video, we are going to learn about software testing lifecycle as well as its phases. So, in the earlier days of software development testing was considered as a single phase and was performed only after the coding or implementation phase. But after the evaluation of software development process and with the increasing complexity of software application, testing activities were defined to ensure the effective software testing, and this led to the evaluation of software testing lifecycle. Now we'll see what are the advantages of software testing lifecycle. Because of software testing lifecycle, testing team get involved right from the initial phase of the software development process. Also, it ensures lesser project costs and timely delivery. This also helps in better understanding of application, which result in overall better testing. Let's now move to the different software testing lifecycle phases. Requirement analysis phase is the first step of the STLC. In this phase, quality assurance team understand the requirement like what to be tested. If anything is missing or not understandable, then the quality assurance team meets the stakeholder better understanding the detailed knowledge of the requirements. There are different activities which takes place during the requirement analysis stage, like review the software requirement document, also interviewing the stakeholder to gather the additional information. So this will help to ensure that testing process is focused on the most important areas of software. Next phase is test planning. Test planning is the most effective phase of software testing lifecycle, where all the testing plans are defined. In this phase, manager of the testing team and also the team members calculate the estimate efforts and also the cost for the testing work. Now, what are the activities that takes place during the planning stage? First one is identifying the testing objective and scope. Next, developing the test strategy, selecting the testing method and technique that will be used. Also, identifying the testing environment and the resource needed. This will help to ensure that testing process is well organized and that the testing team is able to deliver the high quality result or not. Next phase is test case development. In this phase, testing team notes down the detailed test cases. The testing team also prepare the required test data for the testing. When the test cases are prepared, then they are reviewed by the quality assurance team. Let's see what are the activities takes place in this phase. First one is identifying the test cases that will be developed. Also writing the test cases that are clear and easy to understand. Creating the test data and test scenario that will be used for the test cases. So basically this phase helps us to identify if there any potential issue or identify and addresses before the software is released. Next phase is test environment setup. Basically, the test environment decide the conditions on which software is tested. This is independent activity and can be started along with the test case development. In this phase, testing team is not involved. Either the developer or the customer creates the testing environment. Next step is test execution. In this phase, testing team starts executing the test cases based on the prepared test case in the earlier steps. So it is important to note that test execution is an iterative process and may need to be repeated multiple times until all the identified defects are fixed. Once development team fixes the bugs, then bugs are retested for the validation. Last phase is a test closure. Test closure is a final stage of the STLC where all the testing related activities are completed and documented. Some activities are takes place like test summary report, defect tracking, then test environment cleanup, also knowledge transfer, feedback and improvements. The goal of test closure is to ensure that software is ready to release and that the testing process has been conducted in the organized and effective manner. So that's it for today. Hope you guys understand. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.